Welcome to another video in Google Cloud series. In this video, we'll see how to deploy and run a Docker container stored in Artifact Registry using Cloud Run. We already discussed about Artifact Registry in our previous video. To recap, Artifact Registry is where we store Docker images in Google Cloud. Now, what is Cloud Run? So it is platform as a service, a fully managed and serverless platform that runs Docker containers and exposes them as a web service. For Cloud Run, no server management required, and also it is auto scaling. So the prerequisite for this demo, we need a Docker image in Artifact Registry, and then we can run on Cloud Run. So in my previous video, I already have a Docker image built and pushed to Artifact Registry. So in this video, we will explore how we can run that image stored in Artifact Registry using Cloud Run. So let's explore. Alright, I'm already inside my Cloud Console. So in our previous video, we already created a Docker image and pushed to our demo repository, and we named it as Node app. It's a simple application. So right now it is in our Artifact Registry. Let's quickly explore what is inside this Docker image. So I'm opening my Cloud Shell. So we have these two files. This is the simple application file. So check my previous video, we already discussed about this. So this is a very simple application. It is listening to port 80, and we created a Docker image from this app and already uploaded to Artifact Registry inside demo repository. So that is our image. So let's deploy that image to Cloud Run. Go to navigation menu, Cloud Run, and click service. So right now there is no service. So let's deploy a container. Deploy container. First thing is deploy one revision from an existing container image, it's Artifact Registry or Docker Hub. So select this one. And next thing is select our container image. Select. So our region is North America Northeast 2, and our demo repository, that is our image we uploaded in our previous video. So select Node app, and also you can select if you have multiple tags or versions, so you can select different version here. So in our case only one, select one. Next thing, to provide a service name, giving Node app the application name. So let's keep the default one. And second thing is region. So our Docker image right now sitting on North America Northeast 2. So let's select the region same as our Docker image, North America Northeast 2. Cloud Run will provide this URL. Next thing is authentication. So in our case, we're selecting allow public access. Anyone can access this URL, but there is another option. You can always authenticate using your access management or IAM. So next option is billing. So here two options. Default one is request based. So Google will charge you based on your request. Another option is instance based, means Google will create an instance for the application, and you will be charged based on the entire life cycle of the instance. So here is the interesting part. As I said earlier, it is auto scaling. So by default is auto scaling selected. So the minimum number of instances you can select and maximum number of instances it will be It will be based on your requirement, or you can select manual scaling. So in our case, it is auto scaling. Here you can restrict network access. If you have virtual private cloud, you can select this option. So in our case, for the demo, we are allowing access to everyone from the internet. Some more settings are available inside here: containers, networking, and security. So important thing is the container one. So if we go container, so inside container, default one is 8080. So our container port is 80. So let's update this one and let's accept the default one. So we don't want to change the instance. Memory or CPU, those are the default one, but based on your requirement, you can always change it. Set up network or security, and always you can change this configuration later. And let's hit create. It's pretty quick. Within few seconds, the service is created. Let's go back to the service, and node app is our service name. Let's click it. So right now the service is running and it is exposing to this URL. Let's copy it and try to access our service. And we can see hello Google Cloud, the message. So that means the app is running fine. So let's go back. So here another thing, you can balance the traffic. So here there are two options available: manage traffic. So in manage traffic, by default 100% of the traffic are going to the latest revision, means the latest version. So right now everything going to the latest healthy version. So if you have anything like development version or any testing version, you can split the traffic for testing purpose, you know. So instead of 100%, maybe 50-50, you can split something like that. That's it. We deployed a Docker image from Artifact Registry to Cloud Run without managing servers. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to run containers in GCP. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content like this. I really appreciate your support.